There are different definitions given to the word dharma, of course, by our great scholars. But Acharyas gave a very, very beautiful definition to the word dharma. Just let us try to understand that. What does it mean by dharma? Simply say it is duty. What does it mean by duty? What duty for what person? What kind of role that one has to play? There are different types of things to talk about this, but let's not go deep into the intricacies of those things like, it is by birth, by quality, or by circumstances, by the family background, or by the skill orientation. What it is of course a different topic altogether, but commonly that suits for everybody. A very perfect definition is given by our acharyas is, in Sanskrit they said, yataha abhyudaya nisreyasa siddhihi saha dharmaha, they said. Dharma is an activity by which you will be able to do what is supposed to be done for your sustenance in this world. And by doing so, you should not lose something, the longer goal, that is the joy that one is supposed to get even after the body. It's something, strange word, after body. We will put it in a different word, like after the life. What is there after the life? So nothing is there, people say. No, it's not like that. When one is a child, what is there after the child? There is youth. What is there after the youth? There is old age. And what is there after the old age? Next birth. There is next birth. Tadha dehantara praptihi. Lord Krishna says in 2nd chapter of Bhagavad Gita. So even that is there. So whatever activity you do now should cater the need of this time, this body, and wherever this body is, like it is in a family, it is in a society, it is with an office, and with a few things around. But these are not everything. These will be there for some time. When a child is kept in a school, he will be in a classroom, no doubt, and he'll be dealing with a few kind of books, that's fine, but that is not the end of the whole. There's only a part of the whole. After 1 year, then he obviously has to change the room, and then he has to go to the other room, deal with other kind of books, and deal with other teachers, with other subjects. And after some years, he has to change the school. And again, the concept will be changed totally. This we know very well. So, when you are in your classroom, when you are a child, your target, your goal is in 2 ways. One is a short-term goal, and the other one is long-term goal. Short-term goal is just going through the unit tests and small examinations, answering the questions posed by the teachers, and then writing the annual examination, etc. That is a short-term goal only. But there is a long-term goal as well. These short-term goals keep changing every now and then. But long-term goal is you should be always happy, helpful, sharing, enjoying the life, or enjoying even after the life. That is a long-term goal. So, short-term goals keep changing. Like now, you may be writing unit examinations, and over a period of time, you may not write those things. Probably you may have to write every day an examination when you are going through some kind of tests. And when you are again in an office, then you may not write any examination at all, only just dealing with the people, dealing with the systems, dealing with kind of business and so on and so forth. But whether you are in a classroom, whether you are in an examination hall, whether you are in a business organization, or whether you are in a family, the long-term goal that is joyful, peaceful, and sharing and helping nature, that should not be given up. There should not be any kind of compromise with it. Not missing that long-term goal, you can just go through the short-term goals, crossing through them, and whatever way that you have to encounter them, and then that you have to do with it. So, this long-term goal is called Nisreyasa, but the short-term goal is called Abhyudaya. It should be one action by which you should meet with the short-term goal, and at the same time it should help you in reaching the long-term goal as well. If such a kind of act is there, action is there, I think one needs to adopt it. So it is said, Yataha Abhyudaya Nisreyasa Siddhihi, attainment of Abhyudaya and also Nisreyasa. Abhyudaya is the temporary goal, the short-term goal. Nisreyasa is a long-term goal. With whichever activity both are met with. And such practice is called dharma. One should know that. One should practice it. One should own it. And I think probably the purpose of the life is that.
సెరెనిటీ మోడల్ హై స్కూల్ విద్యార్థులకు అమ్మఒడి, సామాన్యులకు అందుబాటులో ఉన్న బడి సెరెనిటీ. మేడ్చల్ జిల్లాలో మేటిగా నిలిచి సాటిలేని ఫలితాలను సాధిస్తున్న నెంబర్ 1 స్కూల్ సెరెనిటీ. మా ప్రత్యేకతలు ప్రతి విద్యార్థి పట్ల వ్యక్తిగత శ్రద్ధ, యాక్టివిటీ బేస్డ్ లెర్నింగ్ అండ్ డిజిటల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్స్, కంప్యూటర్ ల్యాబ్, 100% ఫలితాలు, స్పోర్ట్స్ అండ్ కల్చరల్ యాక్టివిటీస్, యోగా, అబాకస్ మరియు వేదిక్ మ్యాథ్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్. ప్లీజ్ విజిట్ Serenity Model High School, Nagaram. Admissions are in progress. Call 040-271-46899 and 040-271-48699.